Hi everyone and welcome back to Pagkaing Pinoy TV. Today I'm going to show you how to make the trending Dalgona Milo. In a small bowl, I will combine Milo powder and hot water. Stir until well dissolved. This is done, so I will set it aside. Using a heat-proof bowl, mix egg white and sugar. I'm adding egg white to make it airy and light. Next, I'm going to place the bowl over a pot with simmering water. We have to make sure that the bowl is not touching the water. This process of heating the egg white is very important to kill the bacteria. Now I'm going to keep on stirring until the sugar is well dissolved. This is done, so I'll remove it from the heat. Continue to whisk using an electric handheld mixer. Beat until soft peaks form. Alternatively, you can whisk it manually using a balloon whisk, but it will take a while. Do not overbeat the egg white. Again, we want to achieve soft peaks form. Next, strain the Milo mixture and pour it into the meringue. Using a spatula, I will gently fold it until well combined or until no more white streak. scrambled Dalgona Milo, put some ice cubes on a tall glass, and fill about 2/3 of cold milk. Then we're going to top it with whipped mixture using an ice cream scooper. Finally, sprinkle more Milo powder on top and serve it immediately. So guys, it's very easy to make Dalgona Milo. I know you can do it, so just keep on trying. Try this recipe and click on subscribe. Tap the bell icon so you can receive notification on our latest video. And comment down below if you have any suggestion that you want me to do on my next video. Visit our website at www.pagkaingpinoytv.com to get the full recipe. Follow us in Instagram and Facebook page at Pagkaing Pinoy TV 1, where we also post our daily video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!